Good morning, students. In my video, I told you how to solve exponential equations and equations of the other type. Now, we will solve the remaining questions of exercise 1.3 in this video. That was question number 3. 5x raised to power 1 by 2 is equal to 7x raised to power 1 by 4 minus 2. Here in this equation, you can see the values occur in exponents. So, variables are with exponents. So, what to do? We will take the smaller one exponent and name it y, and then taking square on both sides, that will become y square, and that will be the bigger one. Like x power 1 by 4 is the smaller one, so we took it as y. Then taking square on both sides, it becomes x raised to power 1 by 2 is equal to y square. Now putting the values of both exponents in the equation, we get this equation. Now we can solve it very easily. It becomes a quadratic equation. You can use any method to solve it. After solving it, we get the two answers of y. Y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 by 5. Now y was x raised to power 1 by 4. Putting values back. Now x raised to power 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Taking power 4 on both sides. 4 will cut with 4, x will alone is equal to 1 raised to power 4, and the answer is 1. In the same way here, x raised to power 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 5. Taking power 4 on both sides and getting the answer. Very easy to get the answer. Hope you understand it. Now it's question number 4. This is same like question number 3. Exactly same. 2 by 3 is the bigger one. 1 by 3 is the smaller part. So taking 1 by 3 as y and 2 by 3 power as y square, and then getting your answer. Here again the same question. X raised to power minus 1 will be y, and taking square x power minus 2 will be y square, and getting your answer very easily. Here in this question number 12, you can see the values are in exponents but in other form, like 2 raised to power 2x plus 1. What you are going to do here, you will split it firstly. 2 raised to power 2x and 2 raised to power 1. Now 2 raised to power 1 is 2 and 2 raised to power 2x becomes in exponent. Now what to do? Now here you can take the smaller one, 2 raised to power x as y, then taking square 2 raised to power 2x is equal to y square. Get your answer, get your equation. After getting your equation, you can solve it in the same way as you solved the previous questions. Here in this question also, 3x raised to power 2x. Sorry, there is a mistake. It's 3 raised to power 2x plus 2. X is not there. So 3 raised to power 2x and 3 raised to power 2 will be split. You will not write this x, that is with 3 in the start. 3x, x is not there. 3 raised to power 2x plus 2 is in the question. So now you will solve it easily in the previous method. Here is also the same one question. This question number 15 now. In this question, I told you that you will join the two terms which make the same answer. Like here 1 and minus 5 becomes 4, and 3 and minus 7 also becomes minus 4. Both are giving the same answers, so we will combine these two terms, and after multiplying these two terms, we will put x square minus 4x as y, and we will get our next question, next equation, and after solving that equation, we will get two answers of y. Then we will put back the values of y, that is x square minus 4x. There will be again two questions, so we will two equations, we will solve them one by one, and we will get our complete answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.